Just like the title said, I'm going to share with you how I'm potentially getting paid for buying and selling a stock. And the keyword is potential. Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I appreciate you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I'm able to get paid for potentially buying or selling a stock. Before we get into the video, I would like to tell you that I am not a licensed professional finance person. I'm not a professional. I'm just a regular person, just like you, which I'm doing something unique, something that I literally just started learning about a couple of years ago, and I'm excited about it for myself, and I decided to share with the world. All the things that is in this video are my opinions. They are not investment advice. I'm not telling you to invest in the things that I'm investing in. I'm just sharing it with you so you can use it as research resources. You know, you can use it as part of research in order for you to better yourself as, better yourself as you go through your financial journey. Okay, so if you're seeing someone just like you doing something with their portfolio, with their finances, I just want to throw it out there because it can help sparkle things and hopefully do something different. So yeah, this is not financial advice. Don't take anything I say or do as financial advice. Don't sue me, don't sue me, bro. Welcome back everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I'm getting paid to potentially buy and sell a stock. And currently what I do is I do what they call in the community, in the trading community, I don't know if this is an official name, but it's basically called the wheel strategy. And the wheel strategy is an option strategy where you basically just recycle your trades, and in the middle of it you're making money. So before we get into it, I did a video before where I recommend this book. I'm going to recommend this book again. It's Understanding Options. I would not recommend anybody get into anything that you don't understand. I think this book gives you a nice, easy to understand and easy to follow way. The writer of the book basically explains things in an easy to understand, easy to digest, and easy to follow way. So I completely recommend you look this book up. It's only 20 bucks. Understanding Options, and within the book you learn all the different strategies, all the different things that you can do with options. But without taking too long, we are going to get right into today's video, and I'm going to share with you how I was able to get paid about $500 to potentially buy these 3 stocks. So the first stock that we're going to talk about today is Blink Charging, and I just put that up. So currently Blink Charging is $52.85. So if I scroll up here and I look at the current option position that I have open, so basically what I'm doing here is I'm saying I'm willing to buy Blink Charging at $53, as you guys see right here. This is the contract, Blink Charging, $53 puts. So what I'm saying here is I'm willing to buy Blink Charging, the stock, at $53. So I paid $5,300 for this contract, and in return I basically get what they call a credit. Basically the money gets deposited into my account, into the Robinhood account, and they basically deposited $192. So I got paid this amount, $192, to purchase Blink Charging. So what would happen is if by Friday, because today is Monday, I'm doing this on Monday, and I'm doing this on February 8th, and basically what I'm doing is I'm putting it out there into the market, into the stock market, and I'm saying that I'm willing to purchase Blink Charging at $53 flat, and I had to pay $3,500 to purchase that. And for doing that, I get a credit. I get paid which that's what you call a credit, I get paid. I got paid. I got paid 100 right here. Like I said, did earlier on, I got paid $192, almost $200 for that. And the next trade that I'm gonna talk to you guys about is Space. The next trade I'm gonna talk to you guys about is Space Virgin Galactic Holding. So basically, what I did with this one too as well, I said I basically created a contract and put it out there into the world, into the market, and I said I'm willing to purchase Virgin Galactic at $54, which is right here, this contract, $54 per share, and I'm willing to purchase 100 of that. And in order for me to do that, I had to pay 5,400, which is $54, for me to get 100 shares. So basically, what I'm saying here is I'm willing to purchase. What I'm saying here is I'm willing to purchase Space stock at $54. I'm willing to purchase Space stock at $54, and I got paid $220 to put this contract out there. Now, what's gonna happen is if by Friday, because it's Monday to Friday, every Friday contracts renew. Okay, so if by Friday Space stock does not drop down to $54, then I get the collateral back, which is the money that I had to pay in order for me to purchase this option. I get the collateral back, which would be 5,400, and I also get to keep the premium, which is which I just showed you guys, 200 right here, $220 in premium. I get to keep that. Okay, so that is that with this trade. So the third trade that I'm gonna share with you guys is the company called Tilray. This is a company from Canada. It's a cannabis company. They basically sell Mary Jane. Okay, and that's the business that they're into. They do medical marijuana, recreational marijuana, and all that stuff. Okay, so they are obviously on stock market, so they're obviously legal and everything. But anyways, so Tilray, this company Tilray, and this one I did a little bit different. I purchased 100 shares, which is, you guys can see right here, I own 100 shares, and I paid $29.73 for it, and it's currently up $57. So in order for me to get paid from this, what I did was I said, okay, I'm willing to sell this into the market. I created an option, which I'm saying I'm willing to sell it for $31. If anybody wants to buy it for $31, I'm willing to sell it. And while I wait, I'm gonna get paid I got paid. Let me go back here and scroll all the way down for you guys, share this with you. So while I wait for me to sell the option, sell the stock, that is, I'm sorry, sell the stock, I basically got paid $159. That gets credited into my Robinhood account, and I can, trade. I can take the money out and put it in my bank account if I want. But I got paid $159, and as you guys see here, I purchased Tilray. I paid $2,900 for it, and right away I sold a covered call on it, and I got paid $159 for that. So in total for the first stock, the first one that I did, which was Space, I got paid $290. I'll just round it up. $229, I'm sorry. I'll round that up. And then the next one I got paid, that was Blink Charging. I got paid $192 if I add that up here as well. And then the third one, which is Tilray, which I just showed you guys, I got paid $159, $159. If I add that up here, you can see I have a total of $580. and this would basically be a weekly thing. I just keep on doing this. This is why it's called the real strategy. This will be a weekly thing. It's going to be a weekly thing. This is why it's called the real strategy. What you do is you say, hey, I'm willing to buy the stock using options. And this is when you go to sell options, okay? Sell puts. When you want to enter a trade, you're going to go to sell puts. And basically what I'm saying is that I'm willing to buy the stock at this price, at this time, but while I wait, you're going to pay me for waiting to do that. And so if, let's say by Friday comes around, if the stock gets to the price that you're willing to buy it at, well, they're going to use your collateral, which you had to pay in order for you to purchase the contract. They're going to use your collateral to buy the stock for you. So two things will happen. You're going to, if the stock price dropped to the price that you were willing to buy it at, they're going to buy the stock for you. So two ways you're making money right off the bat by creating a contract. The second way is like they purchase stock for you at a discount, and you can turn around the next week and do the other one, which is called covered call, and you can sell the same stock that you bought on Friday, sell it on Monday, and get a premium, get paid for selling the stock. So that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do or what I'm trying to share with you guys. It's called the real strategy. You can, YouTube it, you can Google it. What I'm doing right here is part of creating more content for stuff like this, so everybody can know about it and, participate in the market and be able to generate weekly income. Okay. Start with this book, like I said earlier on, Understanding Options. I think this is a good book. It's pretty easy to read and understand how all this stuff works. But I'm going to be doing my part every week, creating content around what I'm doing with my finances. I just recently recorded, put out my dividend updates. You can go check that out if you want. Check out some of the content that I put on my channel. All the content in my channel is basically real stuff that I'm doing, and I'm just trying to put those content out there, sharing it with people that need to see this. I think more folks need to create content, put it out there, especially if you're doing something that is helping yourself. Don't hide it to yourself. Create content, put it out there, share it with other people, because you never know who's gonna see it someday and be like, oh, yeah, this person is doing something right, and I want to do the same. So that is that. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you for watching. If you like what I do here, consider liking the videos. Go check out some of the videos that I have on this channel. Consider liking the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. I have a lot more content like this that I will be sharing with you guys. I'm about financial literacy, dividend and growth investing, option trading, and I talk about Tesla. I think those are like one of my four things that I can share with people that can over time really help change people's mindset in terms of investing, earning money, and just trying to focus on all the different companies that is out there. Again, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Until next time, see you later.